So right now, you can see the recruitment events that they're having in the different countries. They're having recruitment events in Bangkok, Serbia, Kenya, Poland, Romania, Philippines, India, Tunisia, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Jeddah, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and there's cabin crew future opportunities. So if your country is not in any of this, you should click on this for future opportunities. So let's click on it and see what it entails. So it tells about the company, about the role. Okay, so let's look for their non-negotiable rules. So about you, what we are looking for: a natural communicator with a passion for providing top-tier service while keeping our passengers safe and sound throughout their journey. A natural communication, which means your communication is meant to be top-notch. So on your CV and under your skills, excellent communication should be seen there. And customer experience, because for you to give a top-tier service, you have to have a very good customer experience. Then someone who is ready to wear their smile and bring that half-hour hospitality magic, half-hour hospitality magic, while ensuring everyone feels safe and secure no matter where the journey takes you. Okay. Then an adventurer at heart, team player, excited to be the face of Riyadh Air, take on new experiences and ready to embrace the thrill of travel, all while making sure your passengers are in safe hands from takeoff to landing. Another skill that should be on your CV is team spirit. Team spirit. That's another thing I've seen here. So, of course, it's not only excellent communication and team spirit you're going to write there. There are other skills that are important as a cabin crew, and you should make sure you invest in knowing those skills and put it in your CV. So now, do you have what it takes to fly with us? You must be fluent in English. Height and reach test, at least 160 centimeters tall with an arm reach of 212 centimeters, just enough to reach those overhead bins and quickly access emergency equipment when needed. Then your age requirement: you must be at least 21 years old to join our crew. So there's people believe that in UAE, once you reach the age of 30, they don't usually want to recruit you. But here, they didn't write that here. So even if you're in your 40s, you have the opportunity to apply. Then swimming skills, safety first, confidence in water is a must. You should be able to swim with a flotation device in case of an emergency. Professional appearance, no visible tattoos or piercings in uniform. Visa and relocation, you must meet Saudi employment visa requirements and be open to relocating to Riyadh. Education, a high school certificate or higher is required because knowledge and personality go hand in hand. Customer service experience, at least 1 year in hospitality with customer facing role, because a warm smile goes a long way. So if you're ready to take your career to new heights with a team that champions safety, service, and adventure, this is your moment to apply. Okay, so for those of you that your countries are not listed here, if your countries are not listed here, apply for cabin crew for future opportunities. You never know. So let's go to the places where they are actually having a recruitment. So let me click on Dubai. Let's see if there's a difference. We're coming to meet you in Dubai. It's still the same, nothing different. The only difference is when you apply, you're telling them that you are currently in Dubai. So make sure if you're applying for the cabin crew recruitment in Dubai, you are currently in Dubai. Let me try another country. Let's go to Kenya. Okay, it's the same thing. We're coming to meet you in Nairobi. Okay. The same expectations. All right, so this is a new update on Riyadh Air Carriers cabin crew recruitment. So try it. If they're coming to your country, I advise that you apply, and if they're not, apply to the future opportunities. My name is Iyetunde Sandra. I'm a purser working in a private aviation, and stay blessed.